threw some gas in the carburetor. Let's see if she'll stay running this time. Almost. Very close. Give it a little bit. It wants to fire. There we go. All right. She's a runner. I'm gonna add some transmission fluid in it and see if it'll actually drive. Let's see if I can actually drive it. She's moving. Brakes are soft, but let's see if drive will work. Very nice. I'm pumped. Actually runs pretty good too. Brakes are definitely soft on it though. Here she is. Just a fresh battery and some gas in the carburetor, fired right up. Very nice. Can't beat that for 1,500 bucks. Well, the truck just died on me, so I think I just gotta add some more fuel into the carburetor. And the transmission does slip in it. Obviously, it's leaking a bunch of transmission fluid. One of the transmission lines is rotted out on it, so